Present perfect for something that started in the past and still continues today. Welcome. In this grammar presentation, we will have a look at the present perfect for something that started in the past and still continues today. We will have a look at the meaning and the usage, why we use the present perfect in this case. For some pronunciation and the structure, I would have a look at the present perfect and have a look at the videos in the links in the comments below. So I would say sit back, relax, and enjoy the grammar presentation. So let's have still a quick look at the form. How long have you worked there? Have you worked there? Here is a question form. I've worked there for 3 years. That's a positive. And here you see an example with 4. How long have you been friends? Again, this is a question. Have you been? We haven't been friends for long. Haven't been is a negative one. For long is example with 4. We have been friends since 2022. And again, this is a positive, and we're using an example with since. When do you use the present perfect for something that still continues today? So it's something that started in the past. For example, we have been friends since 2020. You have been friends since 2020, and you're friends still now. Your friendship started in 2020, and your friendship is continuing, has continued, and will continue probably in the future. So present perfect has used different usages, but right now we're looking at something that started in the past and it's still kind of continuing today. Like I said, you have been friends since 2020. This means your friendship started in 2020 and you're still friends now today. Normally you will still be friends tomorrow, and in 2023 you have been friends for 3 years. In 2024 you will have been friends for 4 years, and so on. Your friendship continues. If at some point your friendship stops, you will have to use the simple past for a finished action in the past. And then we were friends because it's finished, and you're no longer friends. So the present perfect for something that started in the past and continues until now, we use 2 adverbs for and since are used there, and they have different usages and different meanings. So we have been friends since 2020, or if it's now 2023, for 3 years. So we have been friends since 2020, or we have been friends for 3 years. So what's the difference between for and since? We have been friends since 2020. Now in 2023, we have been friends for 3 years. Since is used as a moment in time. So from this moment, it's the starting point of the moment, until now. While for is used as a duration. So from the starting point till now, how long has this lasted? So a fixed moment in time is since, and the duration is for. So here's some examples. So for duration, for 2 weeks, for a day, for 6 hours, for 5 years, for a week, and there are many other examples. Since is, like I said, is a moment in time, since January, from that moment until later, since 2020, from that moment till later, since Christmas, from Christmas until later, since Monday, again, same principle, since I left school, from the moment that you left school until now. And again, there are lots of other examples. If you want to practice some more, there will be some link at the bottom for some more practice exercises for and since and the present perfect. So this was the present perfect for things that started in the past and is still continuing today, not present perfect for experience, which you will have to have a look at a different video. So if you have any questions or comments, write them in the comments below and I will help you. For more practice, see comments below and follow the link. So there you can practice the difference between for and since, and as well as some more present perfect with for and since. For example, as you can see, this is one of the practices on the website. 2 weeks, you have multiple choice. Is it for 2 weeks or since 2 weeks? You get to practice. Again, follow the link on the website. There's also here a gap fill exercise on the website for you to practice with for or since. You just have to write for or since. And then the more complicated, difficult exercise where you have a sentence and you need to write the sentence or have some words. You have to write them in a sentence. I have the car 2 months, and you have to use present perfect and for or since. So I have the car 2 months. I have had the car for 2 months. So where you practice making the present perfect and you use for 2 months. In our next video, we will have a look at present perfect with just, already, and yet. If you have any other requests for other videos, let me know and I'll make that video later in the future, because there were lots of requests for present perfect with for and since. So that's why I'm doing the video now. If you have other requests, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video for you about it. If you want some more grammar practice for other tenses, you can find everything on the website or on my social media. If you like the videos, if you want to keep on updated with new videos, follow me on Instagram or subscribe on YouTube or LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter. Just follow and like and you will be updated with the latest new videos. This was present perfect for something that started in the past and continues now. Like I said, go to the website, do some practice exercise, and if you have any questions, let me know and write it in the comments below. Now, good luck and enjoy your day.